to join Telegram private channel without invite link. First of all, open the Telegram app. Now go to the any channel and copy the link, and now go to the Google and paste this link and remove the channel name and enter new channel name you want to join. I can say exchange and click on search. Now you can see I can join this group without invite link. Click on join. I am join this group. Now you can change anything you want to join. I can say chat. Click on search. You can join any channel with this trick. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.